Matthew 15. Some Pharisee people and law teachers come meet Jesus for Jerusalem, ask him, "Why your disciples know they obey our elders' tradition, them know they wash their hand before them chop?" Jesus answered them, "Why una know they obey God commandment, na because una won't keep una tradition? God say, respect your papa and mama. Anybody wey curse him papa or mama, they must kill him. But una say, if anybody tell him papa or mama, wetin I won't give you before, I don't give am to God, then you no need to respect him papa again. Because of una tradition, una don't make God word yea. Una wey dey pretend, true, na una prophet Isaiah talk about when he say, these people they praise me with their mouth, but their heart they far from me, and the worship wey them they give me, they useless, because them they teach tradition where human being get. Then Jesus gather the people, come they teach them, make una listen so that una go understand. No be waiting person chop they make am dirty, but now waiting he talk from him mouth. Then the disciples come beat am say, you know say Pharisee people they vex because of waiting you talk. Jesus answer, any plant where my papa for heaven no plant, them go root am throw away. Make una leave them. Them be blind people where they show blind people road. If person wey blind they show another blind person road, two of them go fall inside gutter. But Peter tell Jesus, tell us wetin you mean. Jesus answer, after everything wey I don't talk so, una no still understand. Una no know say anything wey person chop enter belle, e go shit am come out. But the things where they come out from person mouth, they come from him heart, and na these things they make the person dirty. Now from person heart, bad things they come out, and na these things they make them kill, sleep with who them no marry, thief, lie, and judge person for him back. Now all these things they make person dirty, no be because person chop with him hand where he no wash. Jesus come out there, come go Tyre and Sidon area. For there, one Canaan woman cry come meet am say, Oga God, David Pikin, make you sorry for me. My daughter no well because demon they trouble am. But Jesus no talk. So him disciples come beg am, drive this woman come out for here because he dey disturb us. Jesus can't tell the woman, na the sheep wey lost among Israel people, na him God send me come find. The woman kneel down for him front, come dey beg am say, Oga God, make you help me. Jesus tell am, e no good to give dog the bread wey children supposed to chop. Then the woman answer, yes, Oga God, but the dog themselves they chop the small bread where they fall from their oga's table. So Jesus tell am, Madam, your faith big well. Make wetin you dey find reach your hand. That same time, the pikin come well. Jesus come out from there go Galilee waterside. Then he climb one mountain go sit down. Many people carry people wey no fit waka, blind, paralyzed, dumb, and others wey get different sickness come in front, and he heal all of them. The people come surprise well when them see who no fit talk, they talk, who no fit waka, they waka, who blind before, they see now, and all of them come praise Israel people God. Jesus call him disciples, come tell them, I dey sorry for these people because them don't dey here with me for 3 days, and them no get anything to chop. I no want make them go back with hunger so that them no go faint for road. The disciples answer, as these people plenty so, where we go fit get food we go reach them chop for this wilderness? Jesus asked them, how many bread una get? Them answer, na 7 bread and some small fish. So Jesus tell the people make them sit down for ground, come take the 7 bread and the fish. After he done thank God, he divide the bread and fish give him disciples, make them share am for the people. The people chop belle full, and the food wey remain full 7 baskets. The men wey chop na 4,000, even though them no count women and children join them. After Jesus don't send the people go their house, he can't enter boat go Magadan area.
This na Greywood whispers, voice when not loud, but get sense.